Hello viewers, once again my name is Siddiq. Welcome to Virtual Students Academy video series. This is part 5 of tenses. We are bringing learning easy, made for all. This is our motto of this type of videos, where we bring as easy as possible the structure and the composition of sentences. Today we are talking about indefinite form, in which we will speak about all three tenses: present, past, future. Indefinite, as you remember and you could see on the board, that it speaks about habits and daily routine. The symbol is very interesting. Just paint the picture in your brain. It speaks about habits and daily routine. I do this, I do that, you do this, you do that. So this is what we do every day. What is our routine? What is our habit? So in indefinite, remember, in all kinds of tenses, always we have to use a subject, then we have to use a verb and object. Verb is always first form in present, second form in past, and will and shall and first form is in future. Just have a look at the examples. The boy goes to the school. The boy is a singular, that's why we have to bring singular form of a verb. Goes, plays, writes, talks, walks. So the boy goes to the school. When I turn this into past, the boy went to the school. You always use second form of verb and all sentence remains same. The boy goes to the school. The boy went to the school. In future, the boy will go to the school. Look at the second example. The girl, she sleeps in her bed. She slept in her bed. She will sleep in her bed. Yes, present is sleeps, past is slept, future is will sleep. Third example is they live in same house. Present indefinite. They lived in same house. Past indefinite. They will live in same house. Future indefinite. Yes. Thank you for watching this video. We believe learning easy, made for all. This is our objective and you have learned a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, guys, please keep watching our video, subscribe us, and don't forget to share and like this video. We will bring more videos and, as promised, simple learning for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.